Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Hiring a cleaning service can be an absolute game changer. More time, less stress, and a cleaner home without lifting a finger. Come on here. But here's the thing, not all cleaning companies are created equal. From hidden fees to poor service and even safety concerns, choosing the wrong provider can be a headache. Yikes. So today I'm sharing 10 essential questions you need to ask before hiring a cleaning company to avoid scams and make sure you're bringing the right people in your beloved home. Let's jump right in. Question number 1, what cleaning products and equipment do you use? First, ask what products they use and why it matters. Do they bring eco-friendly, non-toxic supplies? That's crucial if you got kids, pets, or even allergies. I mean, if you have pets and kids and they're using toxic chemicals on your floor and your kid or pet is all over the floor, which they will be, then those toxins are entering their hands, pores, and their blood system. Now, we don't want that. So always check first. And what about equipment? Look for companies that have HEPA vacuums and professional tools, not just a mop and a bucket from the dollar store. Now, why are HEPA vacuums very important? Well, if it's not HEPA, it's probably just recirculating dust around everywhere. So if you have allergies, this could even aggravate the problems. So always make sure they have a HEPA vacuum. Also ask, do they bring their own supplies or are you expected to provide them yourself? Just make sure. Question number 2, what guarantees do you offer for client satisfaction? A good company stands behind their work. Do they offer a satisfaction guarantee? What happens if you're unhappy? I mean, this is very critical. What are they gonna do if you're unhappy? What are their standards, right? Are they gonna come back and fix their mess? Are they gonna refund you? What's going on here, right? Some companies even go above and beyond, like rooChii Cleaning, which literally hires a competitor if you're not satisfied. Now, that's a company that puts your happiness first, right? Anyways, how do they handle feedback and complaints? A structured process shows that they care about getting it right. Always ask, what is their grievance process? Do they have policies in place? What's going on here? Let's get to the bottom of this. Number 3, are your employees properly screened and trained? Yikes, this is a critical one. You're inviting strangers into your home. Seriously. Ask about background checks, references, and training. You want people who know how to clean properly and respect your space. Also find out if they use employees or subcontractors. I mean, this is very important stuff right here. Subcontractors may not meet the same standards or have the same accountability or integrity as an employee. We know this from experience. Number 4, do you work alone or with a team? There's a big difference between an independent cleaner and a company with a team. Individuals may be cheaper, but if they cancel, you're stuck. Nobody wants that. Teams are more reliable, trained, and often faster. I mean, the whole reason we hire cleaning companies is because we don't have time, right? And if something goes wrong, a company gives you someone to call. The peace of mind is worth the extra few bucks. Number 5, are you insured and bonded? This is a non-negotiable, and by law, they need to be as well. If something gets damaged or someone gets injured, you need to know you're covered. And you're not gonna cover it, right? So ask for proof of insurance and bonding. Do their websites state this? A legit company won't hesitate to show you. We won't. We definitely will not. Number 6, how do you charge for services? Now, this is a tricky question. Hourly or flat rate? Are there extra charges for deep cleaning, pet hair, or inside appliances? Get clear on how they price things, what's included, and what could cost more. Our CSRs at rooChii are highly trained, so they ask all the prerequisite questions in order to find out what type of cleaning you need so that there is no surprise when time of cleaning happens. So be proactive and ask up front. Number 7, what's included in your service? Not all basic cleans are created equal. Some companies skip high-touch surfaces or only dust visible areas. It just depends on the cleaning packages, I guess. At rooChii, we have our standard house cleaning, which we clean everything thoroughly in the kitchen and the bathrooms, but the baseboards, window blinds, we're just gonna dust. We're not gonna totally degrease it. This would involve a deep cleaning services or a special request, hence why we ask all the preliminary questions. Also ask for a checklist of what what they do, and whether they customize services to your needs. This is very important. All right, so number 8, how will you access my home? This is an imperative question. If you won't be home during the cleaning, you'll need a safe, agreed upon method of entry. Do they use lock boxes, key drop-offs, security codes? Let's get this all communicated so there's no discrepancies. And nobody likes to wait outside a house as well. This is occurring cost for the cleaners. Also, will the same team always come? That consistency matters for trust and efficiency. Don't forget that. Number 9, what should I do with my pets? Oh boy, everybody has a pets, right? Got a dog or a curious cat? Ask how they handle pets. Some cleaners are fine with animal roaming. Others may ask for them to be secured. A quick conversation avoids stress for your pets and the cleaners and the company and everyone. Number 10, can you provide references or reviews? This is a big one. If they can't back up their work with real reviews or happy customers, run. At rooChii, we have over 1,000 reviews on our website, spread from Yelp, Google, our other Google pages. So make sure to check Google, Yelp, and ask for references. Look for patterns, both good and bad, and feedback, right? And bonus, red flags to watch out for. So here we go. Unclear pricing. Yikes. No insurance. Run. Cash only deals. No, no, no. Rush jobs or missed spots. And also poor communication. These are all red flags. And if you experience any of these, just go to the next company. So here are our closing thoughts. Choosing the right cleaning service can save you time, stress, and even money, but only if you ask the right questions first. So before you book anyone, run through this checklist. A trustworthy company will welcome these questions and answer confidently. And if you're in the Denver area, definitely check out rooChii Cleaning. All this info, products, pricing, guaranteed, it's already listed clearly on our website. So thank you for your time and see you on the next one. And hopefully you hire the right company. Good luck.